Let's check out this 1975 Triumph T160 Trident. We're going to go ahead and cold start it right now. Well, actually, the engine sounds really nice. We just got done pulling her out of the shop. We did a little bit of a tune-up on her. The bike only shows 9,410 miles on it. So virtually brand new, all original paint bike. Engine sounds very, very nice. All original paint. Obviously a little bit cold, needs to idle up a little bit. Triple amyl carburetors on it. Split exhaust for the center cylinder. This was the only year that they had the electric start. And also the T160 was the only model that they actually sort of leaned the cylinders forward a little bit. The T150 was basically a vertical setup for the cylinders. So this was also the last year that Triumph put out the Trident. And being such a nice original paint example, this would be a great bike for any collection. And it's also a very nice rider. Last registered in 2013. Bike is on a non-op. And you can check this bike out on our website, BaderInternational.com. You can also call me direct, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. But don't wait too long. This bike is definitely not going to last. She will be sold relatively quick.